In 2008, it was a rivalry renewed. The most storied franchises in NBA history met for the 11th time. The Boston Celtics, led by the newly formed Big Three of Paul Pierce, Ray Allen, and Kevin Garnett, would defeat the Los Angeles Lakers for the NBA title.
Game, set, match, season, championship.
A year later, injuries derailed the Celtics' hopes of a repeat as they fell short of reaching the finals. It was the Lakers' turn to seize the moment.
Basketball immortality for the 09 Los Angeles Lakers. It is a purple and gold coronation.
Kobe Bryant claimed his 4th championship. And head coach Phil Jackson wrote his name into the history books. Now, these forces once again collide. The Celtics, trying to reassert their claim to NBA supremacy. The Lakers, fighting to defend their championship. It's a showdown for the ages at the 2010 NBA Finals.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's game 1, baby. It's championship time. Lakers and the Celtics. Go Lakers, baby!
I think everyone here can hate Boston except for these goofballs wearing green.
Go Celtics!
Go Lakers!
Go Celtics! 2 years ago, it was simply basketball fantasy. Now it's not only reality, it is destiny. The last 2 champions of the NBA are the 2 most storied franchises in the game's history.
It's going to be a fight out there. It's going to be a war.
It's ready to go. We've been in LA for a long time now, and it's ready to get game 1 under our belt.
Finally in the finals. Game 1, we got to get it. Been working hard to get here all season, and now we here. Now we got to make the best of it.
We are the best team. We're going right now, right at tip-off. We're going.
You live for these moments.
We've got a pile up underneath already. Temperatures are flaring as Pierce and Artest get tangled.
Bryant dribbles around Allen, down the right of the paint, turns the corner, extends and lays it in with the left hand. Right side. Gasol catches weak side. Backs down against Garnett, turns and flicks it home.
Celtics have to do a much better defensive job than they're doing.
Kobe Bryant lowers the shoulder, drives the lane, lays up, no, tipped in by Gasol.
They're killing us on the glass because they're beating us off the dribble, and our bigs are helping all game.
Gasol turns against Wallace, puts it on the deck, curls inside, fakes the pass, jump hook is swatted by Wallace. Rondo far side lob inside for Garnett, catches and dunks it in the transition.
Keep the ball moving. Now we're fighting, and now we're doing it together.
You got to come aggressively, right to the elbow. I mean, right now.
Kobe doubled, high post right past Gasol, leaning shot, he's perfectly through.
You know what has changed from 08 so far? That Garnett-Gasol matchup. How Gasol is winning it tonight. Garnett with a pass into Allen, had the shot blocked by Kobe.
This is terrific defense by the Lakers, and the Celtics are becoming unraveled.
They're the desperate team now. They're going to run at you.
Out of Davis, down the lane, bowls his way to the rim, had the shot blocked by Artest. The Lakers come out on the run, and Gasol with a lefty slam.
And it's over. Already there is a different feel. Round 1 of the rematch to the defending champions.
We were not mentally ready. That team was tougher than us today. They're more physical. They played harder. They got loose balls. They shared the ball.
Definitely can't win a game with being out-rebounded. I got to initiate that. I'm better than what I was tonight.
Win the first game. That was my mindset tonight. There was no statements to be made. You know, our goal is to win the championship. You know, not just the first game.
And the man who's always kept his teams focused on the task at hand is Lakers coach Phil Jackson. For Jackson, it's been a coaching life of nonconformity. And he's still getting to players his way.
He's got a great, or not, I don't know about a great, but unique sense of humor. He always tries to mess with you, or just pick on you enough to get you to react.
Capiche, you got that? You're late. We're not playing the way we got. We got to get him under it. Of course it's not easy. None of this is easy. That's why we're pro.
I love when he's tough on me. I respond to that very well.
Some of you guys, get anticipating that, your role's going to be in Jordan, your role. Don't anticipate your role. Anticipate what I'm going to do.
He sits on the bench and doesn't seem like he's that impacted by the game and what's happening. Yet on the inside, he's boiling.
Okay, now let's take a deep breath and get ourselves collected.
Phil doesn't try to tell you exactly how to do everything. He really gives you the space to step into what you want your individual destiny to be.
I've always felt that the knowledge that I gained from Phil and the way that he coaches the game is what gave me an edge on the rest of the competition.
Yes, sir. 2 for 1. There's 2 for 1 going down there. The one that you ended up shooting in airball?
No, I tried to get a pal.
Some people may not understand his methods, but if you've played for him, you understand him completely and you know what he's about. I mean, he's just absolutely brilliant at bringing a group together to accomplish one common goal.
I think more than anything, it's about watching these players come together and make a bond. It's a circle, and we call that the ring.
After a record 10 championships as a head coach, Phil Jackson is now in his 5th decade in the game, and he knows he's close to the end of his basketball journey.
I sometimes think, I'm on a road trip like to Memphis or Cleveland or some town like that, and I say, maybe this is the last time I'm ever going to be in this town. You think about, the places that, you might never go back to again. So, that crosses my mind once in a while that, you can't step in the same river twice. I found myself thinking about the game, and I realized that, it's still there. I still want to do it, and there's still a desire. When that's gone, it'll be over.
Stay with us. There's more.